Today, we are talking about how cleaning services can improve listening skills during the sales process. The world can be very loud nowadays, and it can be difficult to get our points across during the sales process. The key to selling more cleaning accounts is improving our listening skills. May seem counterintuitive at first, but this sales tactic will greatly increase closing rates on proposals. There is a difference between listening and hearing. Hearing is just about being aware of soundware. Listening is about understanding the message. It is an active skill, not passive, and it requires concentration and energy. These are the barriers that we are probably all guilty of, and we need to look out for. Now we are aware of these, we can focus on the skills that contribute to active listening. Something better to say. Thinking that you have something better to say is often a barrier because we think that what we want to say is more interesting than what is being said. We put more energy into waiting for a pause in the conversation so that we can introduce our point of view. What comes next? Thinking about what you are going to say next is a common barrier in a sales-type role. We concentrate so intently on what question we need to ask next that we miss vital clues in the information we are being given. Not interested in topic. Whether or not we find the subject interesting, to the speaker it is important. Often if we take the time to listen and understand, we can gain information to help us. Don't interrupt. A pause, even a long pause, doesn't always mean someone has finished saying everything he/she wishes to say.